feel lost in pieces. You make me levitate. Somebody said it's fate. Somehow you always fix the broken pieces. You are the only thing that is benefit for me. And you are the only one that I ever thought I need. When I'm with you, I'm better forever with you. When I'm with you.
Good morning everyone! It's another happy day because today, babalik tayo ng Boracay! January 2025 pa or about 8 months ago yung huling punta natin doon. So very excited kami bumalik to see what's new and also to experience yung usual comfort natin sa Boracay. Masisilayan na natin ulit yung ganda niya. So yun lang, sama kayo, gala tayo! We're back in Boracay! Are you excited, Cyril? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Nakuha na natin yung luggage natin. So, let's go outside. And for this trip, we're staying at the Lind Boracay. Nakapag-stay na kami doon noong 2022 and then we'll try it again to see kung may mga changes and further improvements. Although maganda rin yung hotel na yon. So let's see. Okay, labas na tayo. Ayun, the Lind. Yeah. Hello, good afternoon. Yes po. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Yay! Let's go to the Lind. Okay, ready for boarding. Hello. Kuya, ito ba sa Henan talaga? Tapos nakiki-commission yung ibang resorts.
Henan at Lind lang dumadaan dito.
Yun lang ba? Yung Discovery ba? Hindi dito?
Nasa kabila sila.
Sa kabila. Okay.
Kabila sila. Henan, Lind, tapos sa kabila yung Fairways.
Oh.
Fairways. Tapos sa kabila, Discovery, Mandarin, Coast, sa kabilang lounge.
Okay. Here we go. Sayang, di natin nabutan yung sunset. It's fun, Cyril. No, don't stay to the edge. Sa middle ka. Oh, maalog nga. Gumagana.
Punta lang sila. Punta naman.
Okay.
Step agad kayo mama.
Hello. Where do you want? Here? Okay. Yeah.
Wait, look at it here.
Where do you want to go? Ah, here. Okay. Wear your life bursary. Yan. Okay. Yan po. Okay. Here we go. All right. Thank you. Ah. Oh, smells good. What did you say?
Let's eat crispy pata tomorrow.
You want crispy pata? Okay. Hello, good evening. Okay.
Thank you.
Hello. Are you ready? You're so excited. Do you remember this place? You don't? Dito, baby. Yan. Po. Careful, careful. Good evening. For everyone, or just for my kid. Let's take a look here. Sayang, hindi na natin naabutan yung sunset kasi delayed yung flight. Ayan, madilim na sa labas. Okay. You say?
Am I gonna be surprised?
What?
Am I gonna be surprised?
With the room? What do you think?
Yeah?
Okay.
You requested for room 218?
Is that the old?
Yes, po.
Ay, nice. So, bigyan nila yung dating room na
Dating room.
Okay, so you will be checking out on 24 and the flight that we have here, it's 5G902, 950 po kaya Patiklan. So we suggest to leave here po at 7 a.m.
7 a.m.
Yes po. So for the room, everything has been settled naman po. We'll be needing incidental deposit lang po and that would be 5,000 a night. So for 4 nights is 20,000, either cash or credit card.
Hindi na ba sobrang lamig yung pool sa baba?
Hindi naman. And for the environmental terminal fees po, on check-out days po siya i-collect. So no need to line up in the port. So we can settle po contest po.
Alright.
And for the house rules naman po, for the food po, we don't allow to bring outside food here in hotel, that may in other restaurant. But we allow some chips, bread, biscuit that may in the groceries
Drinks.
po. Drinks po, alam
Okay
naman
lang,
po.
okay. you.
Meron po kayong mga visitors po na anticipated?
Ay, wala. Wala na.
So, your room is 218, B-Mall. So, the earliest po is 2 p.m. and the last trip po is 10 p.m. po.
Ah,
So,
okay.
just be at the lobby before po aalis yung shuttle service papuntang B-Mall.
B-Mall.
So, the pick-up point and drop-off point po sa Jollibee.
Okay.
Near B-Mall po.
Alright.
So, yung papalit naman po dito, ma'am, every 20 minutes po upon arrival in Jollibee po. So, kung gusto nyo sumabay, is just be at the lobby. To the Jollibee before aalis po yung shuttle po.
Okay.
So, in case naman po pag hindi po kayo makaabot po ng free shuttle service, you can call the e-drive po. Or
Okay.
tuk-tuk. So, dito po sa may hotel, papuntang dito, is for the amount of 150 pesos. Pero doon na lang po kayo magbayad sa driver.
Alright. Okay. Serene. You remember this? You don't? You don't remember? Okay, hello everyone. Nandito na tayo sa The Lind. We're staying at their sea view room. So, quick room tour lang tayo, okay? Okay, so, ang nakakatuwa rito, nabigay nila the very same room na pinagstayan namin before. So, on the left, andito yung cabinet. Ayan, meron silang umbrella. And then, there's the robe. Oh, this is good kasi usually yung ibang hotel walang pambata na robe. So, that's good. And then, ayan yung safe and then the drawers. And then, dito naman, nakakatuwa. So, apparently, yung nakuha kong package is, I forgot the name, the Lindate package. So, kasama to, this one, we can take this home. Tapos, ang magandang surprise pa, kasama yung 10,000 pesos worth of dining credits. Hindi ko ganong napansin yun when I was booking. So, yan. Dito may Nespresso machine, and then may kettle, and then, ayan, may banana chips, and, ano yun? Wafer. Okay. And then, dito naman is the bathroom. So, ang natatandaan ko rito, yes, ganito pa rin yung packaging nila ng toiletries. And I like the glasses. Tapos, nakahiwalay yung toilet and the shower area. Ayan. Provided na rin yung soap, shampoo, and conditioner. Okay, so, ang ganda ng room, ang laki. Ito yung king size bed nila, tapos meron siyang effect na parang floating yung bed. Tapos may side tables, tapos may sofa doon, and then there's the coffee table, tapos malaki rin yung TV nila. I'm just not sure if this is a smart TV. Pero base sa remote, mukhang hindi. And then there's a study area here. Napapansin nyo ba yung gumagalaw-galaw? Why is the curtain moving? What are you doing there? Alright, tapos, unfortunately, hindi ko mapapakita yung view kasi madilim na. But, oh no, I need help. Where's Daddy? I can't open it. Be careful. Okay. Eto. Bango. So, ang ganda ng view kahit gabi. Oh, you remember it now? So, we stayed here nung 4 pa lang si Surreal. So, yan. That's the view. Yeah. Oh, nadapa. Nadapa. Anyway, ayan. Ang ganda ng view, diba? Lalo na pag morning. Tapos, ayan. Tinan ko kung ma-zoom in natin. Yan yung pool nila sa baba.
I want to poop. I want to poop.
No, we can't. Tomorrow na. Yan. I'm so happy we're back in Boracay. And the Lind is more beautiful than I remember. No?
Nung natututo pa lang siya mag-swim.
Mag-swim, oo. Marami siyang clips dyan. Oo, dyan, oh.
Nakagano ka, baby.
Yeah. Diyan siya unang gumamit ng life vest muna. Doon siya natuto, eh. Are you happy, Cyril?
Yes.
How about you, Daddy?
So, Brad.
So, do you like the room, ma'am?
Yes.
Pass? Approved?
Yeah.
I did a good job?
Yeah.
Alright, nice. Ooh, I hear a newborn.
Me too.
Yeah. Anyway, yan. Ganda talaga ng room. I love it so much.
So lamig.
Ito pa pala, sabi namin kanina, but parang walang welcome drinks. Andito nga pala yun sa room. So, they have macarons and then parang mango to, covered in chocolate. And let's see kung handwritten pa rin yung note nila. It is! O, diba? Nice! Okay, so that's it for our tour. Ngayon naman, lalabas na kami para mag-dinner. Siyempre, saan pa ba tayo pupunta? Kundi sa favorite restaurant natin dito sa Boracay. Yeah? Yeah! What are you gonna have?
You know,
What?
crispy pata.
Okay, crispy pata. I'm so happy to be back here in Boracay and I'm very excited to have 4 days of relaxation. So tara, dinner na tayo. See you there! Yes. Ito na yung trike. Sa gitna kayo? Or dito lang tayo? Yeah, okay. Bama grill po. Hello. Dilim. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Bama Grill, our favorite restaurant here in Boracay. Pasok na tayo. Same table ah. Siya namili ng table. Okay, nandito na yung order natin. So, syempre, unang-una ang crispy pata. Then, Bicol Express and sisig. Kain na tayo kasi hungry na si Cyril. Right, Cyril? Okay. Look at that. First bite. So good. Oh. Did you hear that? So good. Yeah. Wow. Very good. Wow. Sisig. Good.
Mag-explain sa'yo. Ang very tingin.
Next, there. Very good tong ano nila. Bicol Express. Ang laki lang ng hiwa nung ano, sitaw. Anahin natin. Paliitin natin. Wait. Bicol Express. Sarap. Good. Positive. Really happy? Yeah. Ano man?
Ang sarap pa ganyan.
Yeah. Yung Bicol Express is really good. Ito rin, panalo. And of course, sisig. Okay, tapos na kami kumain. Dessert time naman. Si Pipoy. Good, Cyril. Sobrang happy ni Cyril. Sa kanya, ube. Ay, ube. Ano yun? Buko pandan shake. Sa akin, yung ube shake. Sobrang sarap nito talaga. As in. Ganun pa rin. Nice. Try natin.
Mami.
Ganun pa rin yung lasa niya. Ube, tapos lasa mo yung condensed milk, yung cream. Ang sarap. Perfect.
I don't like it.
Oh, just taste it.
Let's taste it.
You like it? Oh. Nagtatry na si Cyril ng mga ibang food.
Drinks?
And drinks, you're right. Okay, tapos na kami kumain sa Bama Grill. Ano, masarap ba?
Walang nagbago. Masarap pa rin.
Walang nagbago, masarap pa rin. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.